Getting the city of Omaha back on track following last week's storm has been a group effort. I'm Hannah McElroy here in downtown Omaha, where Mayor Jean Stothert and other community leaders gave updates on the storm restoration efforts. Thousands of people are working around the clock, and there's more work left to do.
This has definitely been a real coordinated effort with all the parties that have been involved. And so it's been a long process, but again, it just hit Wednesday evening, so it didn't even happen a week ago, and the progress that has been made so far has really been amazing.
This gives you an idea of just how powerful and widespread last week's storm really was. The two big topics of the day: getting the lights on and debris removed. OPPD says 90% of customers now have their power restored, thanks to 1,500 workers from Omaha and around the region working long days.
This is the fifth large storm we have experienced in our service territory just this year. It's catching us already tired. We had a tornado just a few weeks ago, and in between we had many severe storms with outages ranging from 20,000 to 30, 40,000. So this is no easy task for women and men.
Cox says 94% of customers who lost service also have it back. And soon Public Works will go street by street, removing debris from our neighborhoods.
We have about 150 dedicated staff on the ground from Public Works helping with storm debris cleanup. That includes crews and heavy equipment operators from other divisions within Public Works.
Here's some of the top things you'll need to know. The city of Omaha will collect tree debris from neighborhood streets. It starts on Thursday but could take weeks or up to a month to complete. OPD is doing extra patrols in neighborhoods without power. Cox Wi-Fi has 600 hotspots across Omaha to accommodate outages, and debris drop-off sites will be open until August 14th. At 19th and Farnham, I'm Hannah McElroy, your downtown Omaha neighborhood reporter.